Hello everyone. Welcome back to Ali Product Review Channel. Today, I received a watch from Aliexpress. This is a Pagani design. I see this automatic watch is very popular on Aliexpress. Okay, let's discuss it. This Pagani design is a PD1751 model in yellow. What's yellow? We'll see later. The box is like a Pagani design box, dark blue. With the texture of the box is orange peel. Let's open it now. The brand and logo are clearly visible. The box is dark blue, with an orange peel texture. Using a magnetic box type. Let's open it now. Wow! There's another brand mark on the back of the box. Here is a microfiber cloth, a watch glass cleaning cloth. There is a brand name too. In addition, there is a manual book, and you definitely won't read this. Please, if you're still a layman about automatic watches, read it. Then there is a warranty card. If there are complaints, you can use this. A tool is also given to adjust your watch strap. Okay, I'll take the watch. Wow, very beautiful. This yellow color turns out to be a time marker on the watch dial. This watch has dimensions of 36 millimeters for the bezel diameter, with a thickness of 13.9 millimeters. The case material is made of 316L stainless steel, as is the strap. This watch has an automatic NH35A Seiko engine. The band size is 20 millimeters. This band size is widely sold when you want to change the strap. This watch is claimed to be water resistant to a maximum depth of 20 bar or 200 meters. It also has a luminous feature. I'm curious, how much is the total weight of this watch? Wow, only 133 grams. I want to show the details of this watch to the camera. Okay, that's enough for this video. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.